Welcome back in our video tutorial. In this lessons we are going to show you how the looping makes the program very short by repeating the certain number of lines of code in C program. We hope you have studied about what the looping is, what the different types of looping statement used in C programming in the following chapter, in chapter 4.5.3 in our book. Now we are going to show you how the looping works in the program. Let's see the following program. This program prints the name of the college is ABC International College 10 times on the screen without using looping. If you see the program code, you will see the following code in this program, and just if we run the program, then we will see the output of it follows. Now, if you see the execution process, to see the execution process, just press the F7 key from the keyboard. This is the execution line. It always begins from the main functions in the C program. Now it goes to the another line, CLR SCR. It clears the screens. Thus it erases the messages of the previous program. If you are making the C program in other editor except the Turbo C++, then please don't write this CLR SCR as the code, otherwise it will give the error message. Then if you see the another line, then it has here printf statement. Inside the printf statement, the name of the college is written as ABC International College. The printf statement prints the message inside the double quote, and after executing this line, just press to execute this line, just press F7. Now this line has been executed, and to see the output of this line, just you can go to the output screens. To see the output screens, you can press Alt and F5 key from the keyboard. You will see it. The name of the college is written just one time. Now if you execute this second line, just press the F7 key, then the second line has been executed, and if you see the output screen, just press the Alt and F5 key. You will see the name of the college 2 times. In this way, just keep on pressing the F7 key. Each line of the program will be executed, and finally you will see the following output. This is the program which prints the name of the college several times without using the looping. I think you understand that how many times you want to print the name of the college, that many times you need to repeat the printf statement. Instead, now we will show you another program that also prints the name of the college 10 times on the screen by using looping. If you see the program code, then you see the same header file, and here you see the do while statement. This do while is a type of looping statement, and you notice that the printf statement has been written only once in the program, but it prints the name of the college to the 10 times on the screen. If you want to see the execution process, just compile the program, and you see the error is 0, the program is success. Now if you run the program, then you see the name of the college is 10 times on the screen. Now with execution process, now we will show you the watch window with execution process. To see the watch window, just click on window menu, then click on watch option, then you will see the watch window. Now press the enter key, then you will see this window. Now type the name of the variable whose value you want to watch. Here the name of the variable is I. Just type I here, click on OK, then you will see the name of the variable here. Just click anywhere in the above part of the program. Now press F7 key from the keyboard. Thus this is the execution line, and it always begins from main functions as we said earlier. Now this line will be executed. It erases the message of the earlier program. Now this line will be executed. Notice that the value of I is 866. This is the garbage value given by the program to the variable. If you execute these lines, then this value will be erased, this value will be deleted, and the value of I will be 1. Notice here, this is the value of I is 1. Now the program goes inside the curly bracket. This line is executed. It prints the name is ABC International College on the screen. Just press F7. If you want to see the output screen, just press the Alt and F5 key. You see that the name of the college has been returned one time. Now the execution line will be this I++. If this line is executed, the I++, this increment operator will increase the value of I by 1. That means the present value of I is 1. After executing this line, the value of I will be increased by 1. That means the value of I will be 2. Just press the F7 key. The value of I will be 2. Now see the condition. The value of I is 2, less than or equal to 10, which is true. Now the execution line will be repeated here to the printf statement. Again it comes here. Now this line will be executed once again. It prints the name of the college second time on the screen. Now this operator once again increase the value of I by 1. That means the value of I will be 3. Just see here. Press the F7 key. The value of I will be 3. Now 3 is less than or equal to 10. Condition is again true. Again the line of the code will be repeated. Again it prints the name of the college third time on the screen. Now this line will increase the value of I to 4. Now the value of I is 4. 4 is less than or equal to 10. The condition is true. Again the block of code of the loop is repeated. In this way, keep on pressing the F7 key. The value of I will be increased. Similarly, the printf line will be repeated. Now the value of I is 10. Still the condition is true because we have used here equal sign too. So the condition is true. Again the printf line will be repeated in the program. It prints the name of the college. Now this line increase the value of I by 1. That means the value of I will be 11. Now notice here, the value of I is 11, less than or equal to 10, which is false. Now the condition, these lines will not be repeated as this condition is false. You see that if you press the F7 key, it comes below instead of repeating these two lines of the looping statement. Now you see the guess statement and you see that the following output of the program. In this way, if you compare this program with the earlier programs, this program has been very short due to the looping statement. Now we'll show you the same program by using other looping statement of C program. At first, let's use while loop. To use the while loop, then other statements will be same. Instead of this do statement, just write here while. In a while loop, the condition is checked at first as while loop is the entry control loop. So you need to write here the condition here. Now remove these lines from the program. Now just compile the program like earlier. Then the program is success. Now run the program. The output is same. You see the following output. The output is same. If you want to watch the value, just be sure the watch window is here and just press the F7 key. You will notice that the value of I is 1 and the condition is checked. If this condition is true, then block of the looping statement will be repeated, will be executed. Here the value of I is 1, so the condition is true. So these two lines of statement will be executed. The first line will print this message ABC International College on the screen, and this line will increase the value of I by 1 as earlier. In this way, this process is repeated 10 times and it prints the name of that college also 10 times on the screen. Now the value of I is 10, still the condition is true. Now this statement will make the value of I is 11. Now the condition is false, and when the condition is false, instead of executing the block of code, the execution process or execution line follows below the looping statement. It comes here and you will see the following output, which is same like the earlier program. Now if you want to see the same, if you want to run the same program by using for loop, then instead of for while, you can write here for statement, and inside the for statement you need to write the code as follows. The variable is initialized here and the condition is checked, and the increment is also done in the same line. So remove these lines from the program and again these lines from the program. Now run this, compile the program. Just here you see the error message. You notice that due to it. Now compile the program, just success. Now run the program and you see the same output. If you want to watch the programs by execution process, just this make sure the watch window is here. To bring the watch, this is the message window. To bring the watch window, just click on window menu and click on watch. You will see the watch window with the proper variable. Just click upper part of the program and press the F7 key. You see the execution process as follows. Notice that the value of I is increased, and in this way it prints the name of the college 10 times on the screen. In this way, the looping statement really makes the program very short, and we hope you understood that you can use any type of looping statement, either while, do while or for looping statement in any programs to make the program short and easy.